Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the timetable in the Kuwait International Airport application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the timetable button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, here you can check the arriving as well as the departing flights. So just click on the one that you want to see. And here you will be able to find all the arriving flights with dates and everything. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.